All right, stories from the 78 here on the west side of Chicago, right outside the United Center, technically inside Windy City Smokeout. But I wanted to talk about something different because you always hear about drinks and the whole thing, but what about a mocktail? And that's why I have my friend Josh Miller. How you doing, Josh?
How's it going?
So you're here with Owen's Craft Mocktails, which is what we're looking at right here. It's the first time they've ever had anything like this here. Why don't you explain what you guys are?
Yeah, so we are a non-alcoholic American-made mixer brand. What that means is we're a company that focuses on making really high-quality cocktail mixers where you can drink them with or without booze. Our whole thought is be as inclusive as possible, and so we want to bring something very unique to Windy City that has never been seen before. So this is literally the first ever mocktail bar at Windy City Smokeout.
Yeah, and you're right in the line. You're in the perfect spot just because this place is insane. I understand that this line is for one artist right now.
Yeah, Zach Bryan's kind of popular right now.
Zach Bryan.
But the beauty is we're noticing people are like absolutely shocked to see a non-alcoholic option other than just booze, 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 booze.
Right, but you know what? To be honest, if you want to last all day, you kind of need to take in the mocktails. Otherwise, you're going to be done in 2 hours with the heat, and you're going to miss everything. So you got to pace yourself.
Yeah,
right?
you can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning. That's whether you're drinking alcohol or not. So
right,
you
exactly.
got to eat mocktails in the morning and mocktails at night.
And you're also spread out, aside from this spot here, you're spread out at different spots within the festival grounds with all the barbecue places
Yeah,
and
so
everything else.
we
right?
have some amazing spirit partners here. We've got Tito's. We're at the Still House with them. We're doing American Mules. Mojitos, which is our take of a mojito with Tito's.
Fantastic.
We've got Casamigos. We got Dos Hombres, Jim Beam. So we got really cool cocktails all across the venue.
And if people who might not be able to come to this event, where can they buy your product? You know, are you guys at like a grocery stores, a Binny's, or what have you?
So really proud to say we're in all the Binny's here in Chicago, Jewel Osco, CVS, Total Wine, 30,000 retail stores nationwide, so there's plenty of places to get it.
And this is something that is close to you. You're from like Northern Cal, but you said there's a Maine component too. Why don't you explain that whole thing, because that's really cool.
So my brother-in-law and I are from Northern California, and when we were thinking of starting this company together, we were like, all right, what should we call it? And we thought JT's would be too boring. And come to find out, my great-great-grandfather opened the first bar general store in Portland, Maine in 1864.
Unbelievable.
So we named it Owens.
That is so cool. What's the significance of the graphic there?
Well, so our mule, we always say we're stubborn about our quality, our commitment to quality, but more importantly, just don't be a jackass when you're drinking.
Don't be a jack. That's a golden rule, my friend. What do we got here just before we run out of here? What do we have for the flavors?
So we've got the No-Hito, which is our riff on a mojito. It's a combination of mint, cucumber, and lime, garnished with chopped up cucumber. We've got a riff on like a cold brew / espresso martini.
Oh, you're definitely going to need that in the afternoon, right?
And then you've got our Grillin' Cran Lemonade, which is our sparkling cranberry with lemonade, a little bit of simple syrup. And then we have a delicious barbecue bliss. This one is Rio Red Grapefruit and a hit of soda water.
Oh, look at that. And then he's got another one right there. Man, they're right on top of it.
Yeah,
Josh,
plenty of options.
Thank you for chatting with me. There's a lot of drinks here. And then, like you said, you can add a little cocktail to the cocktail, if you will. But
show your spirit without the spirit.
There we go.
Yeah.
Well, thanks. And where can you guys online presence anywhere?
Yeah, owensmixers.com. We're Owens Mixers on Instagram. You can follow us on Facebook, obviously. And you can buy it on Amazon as well.
Oh, on Amazon. Fantastic. Yeah. Well, which one should I take as a sample right now?
I think you should. Well, you can't double fist right now, but let's try out this one right here.
All right, don't make me drink by myself. Cheers, me here.
Cheers.
Thanks a lot.
To another smokeout.
Yeah, absolutely. TomBarneyChicago@gmail.com, storiesfromthe78.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is fantastic. Thank you, Josh. Appreciate it.
Cheers.